Hey, yes you there. When was the last time you did your hair? When was the last time you got dolled up and batified yourself? Because you look crazy. Yes, you look crazy. You probably smell crazy too. Insane.
Alright, slow down. Ain't no way.
That's crazy. Girl. Well, clean yourself up. You have a YouTube channel you have to be running. Yeah. And people are waiting. Wave to the camera.
Where are these sounds coming from?
You bet. Stop complaining. Wave to the camera.
Alright.
And get ready. Get ready. You have to batify
no more
yourself.
comfortable era.
Turn yourself into a baddie.
Office baddie era.
Yeah. Girl, you got it.
Era.
And now,
It's gonna happen.
To the camera right now.
What? Hey everyone, Miss Kalimba here. And today I'm going to be turning into an office baddie. We're going to start with what's under the bonnet.
I know, under that bonnet looks crazy. Yeah. Oh,
I'm a little
my
scared
God.
to show you what's under it. I did wash my hair, but you know how hair gets when you don't put it in mini twists?
Oh my gosh, put it back. That is crazy.
All right. You rude, whoever you are.
My
I don't know where these sounds are coming from.
Girl. What are you doing?
I'm about to take it off. So we can do the laying down hair process. I have a video on it already, but we can do that, and I'm gonna show you the outfit and lights makeup look I'm gonna do. All right, y'all, it's me. So we're gonna start with the hair process with taking out these twists, I guess. Yeah, okay. So my hair is washed. It's clean. It is clean. It's a little jarring now because it's a few days after wash day. Yeah, you can really see that. What's crazy is I haven't had a hair video on my channel in 3 years. This is really my most consistent year that you guys are seeing, and I'm really happy with that. We're gonna be posting every single freaking week. I promise. Anyways, look at my beautiful thick hair. So I'm gonna use Fable and May's detangling spray. I'm using Auntie Jackie's Defining Curl Custard. After spraying my hair, I like to go in with this. I take a generous amount, and by generous, I mean very generous, because I got thick hair. And I grab my detangling brush. This is a proper detangling brush for some 4C hair. My natural hair is 4C. It only looks like a different curl pattern, my bad, when I add extensions in. But this is my hair in shrunken form. Yep. It's all me. So cute. I love it. Now I'm going in with K18's little oil. This was gifted to me, and you gotta oil the scalp. So you're going in that bad boy, sectioning. Out here sectioning. Okay, we did pretty good. How you guys liking the foam grain? May or may not have done that because my camera quality wasn't the best this time. Anyhow, I got the Equal and the Gorilla Snots. Do y'all remember 2021 when a woman put real Gorilla Glue in her hair? Crazy work. Gorilla Glue and Gorilla Snots is not the same thing. Anyhow, with the Gorilla Glue and the Equal, I put some Equal first, brush it down, and then I put Gorilla Glue, and I section my hair into 2 lower ponytails, basically, because my swoop is kind of like a sass swoop, and this is the best way to divide my hair first into 2 different sections. Okay. So you brush away, enjoy the soothing music, enjoy this little simple hat tutorial, because if you know, I've always been a beauty girl. Makeup, hair, fashion, I love that stuff. Until I really let my artistic abilities take over, and now my makeup videos are very much cosplay, and I don't just do regular lookbooks. I show you guys how I can sew my outfits. Oh my gosh! Tell me the Barrettas and the cutest thing in the world! Okay. Yeah, here comes the extensions. Why my hair doesn't look like it's 4C sometimes is because I have hair extensions. So I start off with putting my drawstring ponytail in. And then I grab the second ponytail because I really want it to be thick, and I'm wrapping it around. Now look at it. The cutest ponytail job I've ever done. And I have this thick scrunchie that I don't know if it secured the ponytail, but I just thought it looked super cute. And the outfit's really gonna eat. And then I have the scarf. We're gonna put the scarf in there. Hey, lay your head down, lay your head down. Lay your head down, lay your head. Work it, work it, work it. All day. Oh, lay, all day. Y'all, I think singing is my next talent. Aside from makeup, sewing, arts, animating, video editing, like, singing's the next thing. I really think I have a career in this. Like, X Factor, here I come. I got that. My gosh. Anyhow, I use 2 scarves and I keep it on for as long as I possibly can. By that, I mean not 20 minutes, so like literally 40 minutes if you can, an hour if you can. And after taking it off, behold the makeup look. Wow. Outfit, everything, done up, done up, done up.
Hey,
Thanks,
good job,
girl.
girl. You really ate that. I'm so proud of you. Hey, you better work. Do your dance. You look good.
We're gonna get into the details.
Yes,
the details
I see the makeup.
of makeup. Oh, that's not Rude Cosmetics. Rude Cosmetics. You saw code Carolina. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna get into it. No worries. Like that, an office baddie was born. Let's get into the makeup. What's that palette, you ask? I'm gonna tell you the palette. It's the Manga 2B anime palette by Rude Cosmetics. Don't play with her. Use my code Carolina to shop anything Rude Cosmetics. Get that 15% off because, as you know, I've been using their products for a minute now and I love it. The thing about an eyeshadow palette is that it's more than just putting on your eyes. You can use a little bit as a highlight, a little bit more as a contour, a little bit more as a blush, because y'all know I be doing that even before I got to work with them. Shout out to Rude Cosmetics because they got me bright, looking like an office baddie. If you look at my full outfit, it's heavily inspired by Oscar from Proud Family because I am a cosplayer. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching this fun little hair video because y'all know I haven't done my hair in a minute now. I be wearing wigs and braids. I've done a slick back tutorial, as I said. Y'all check it out if you want to, because that one's funny too. It's funny, it's chill, and yeah. This is nice because it's a middle in the middle, but I parted it out to the side and did a little sleek with the barrettes. I really like it. And the way I did it, I'm so happy it worked out. I put a drawstring ponytail as I showed you, and then I added extensions on top and just pinned the extensions and added I don't know if it made it safer. Maybe it did, but I thought the scrunchie was mad cute. Yeah. As I always said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to be notified of my weekly uploads. That's right, weekly. We upload Tuesdays, Thursdays, and what? Yeah, Sundays if we get the time to. I love uploading 3 times a week. It is the goal for the month. So let's all keep on hustling. All right. Bye, y'all.